this is a 2016 na Fortuner. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So today, another project here. This is a 2016 na Toyota Innova. So, Innova Crista, according to client. So, anong pinagawa ni client on this not new but not old car? In this case, client, lagi may karga sa likod, medyo nahirapan. Pagbukas sarado ng door, so nagpakabit si client sa amin ng power tailgates. Ayan. Magic oh. Hindi ko man lang nilapitan, bumukas yung pinto. After install ng kit namin, this is its original key. Wala kaming ginalaw sa key. Nakaset lang sa system namin. And then, maliban sa remote control, meron din tayo control dito sa likod. And it's made for Innova talaga, kaya makita yung shape is saktong-sakto. Pag sarado, pipindutin lang. In this case, sabi ko, client, need yung ng kick sensor. Sabi ni client, well, medyo hassle, wag na lang lagyan ng kick sensor. So, hindi na natin lagyan ng kick sensor. Pero, meron tayo control sa likod, meron tayo control sa key. Meron din tayo control dito sa harap, which is parang siyang OEM. Ayun yung buttons natin. Ayun, makikita nyo. Saktong-sakto yan. So, pag bubuksan nyo, pipindutin nyo lang and then magbubukas na yung kanyang pinto. So, ayan guys. If you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!